Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So we have 8 of Wands in reverse, 7 of Wands in reverse, and 8 of Cups. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are someone seeing a lot of difficult situation. You want to do things the right way. You are someone dedicated, devoted to whatever you do. And you are someone who wants to do things the right way. You think clearly whatever choices you make. And you do that only when you are completely confident about that, Capricorn. But today, in your circumstances, you feel that you have done something wrong, something is not going as you expected. It may be the case in your work, maybe some projects, you may see some delays, something may not work well, and you feel that it may be you are the reason for things going in a particular way. Maybe some mistakes you did, it was not intentional. Maybe some decisions you made or some mistakes on your part, or it may be someone's mistakes but you are unable to correct it, and there are people who are against you. They are arguing with you maybe, or they are competing with you, and it is making your circumstances even more worse for you, Capricorn. So you want to change your circumstances, you want to do something about it, but still you are unable to change your circumstances, and you feel deep down in your heart of hearts there is that lack of peace or happiness, and you're very much disappointed, dejected by the way things are going today in your life, Capricorn. So it may be the case about your career circumstances, or it may be your situation in this relationship. So you want to change something and you feel that something is missing in this connection, and you want to understand what went wrong and what is the reason for this state, this situation, and you're searching for some answers deep within yourself. You want the answers today, you want clarity today, and you are thinking about it. And maybe for some of you, though you have certain blessings in your life, maybe you may have a lot of possessions, good car, a home, and lot of valuable things, whatever it is, and you would have achieved certain goals for yourself, but still the way things are going, you are not appreciating those blessings. It may look really empty to you, and you are focusing on something you need to change today, and you want clarity. So you're thinking about something deep down. The circumstances are really changing you emotionally. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 9 of Pentacles. So whatever is happening today, Capricorn, maybe you want that answer, maybe you will get that answer, whatever you need, and whatever you feel missing, in this relationship, or whatever was the reason for some troubles in this relationship, that may come to an end, come to a quick end today. So you may see good changes, positive turn of events. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. And everything is changing in this relationship. So no more disappointment, no more troubles. So you are moving towards a very good positive change that is giving you happiness, peace of mind, and satisfaction. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. It's Two of Cups. So, maybe you are moving towards a collaboration. Something good, maybe you are working with people, like minded people who share your dreams and who have that level of commitment and dedication. So you are working with people, a good team, and it is going to take you towards success, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co-create. So in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs, and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy, because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you, but sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful, and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind, and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.